Good evening, everyone. Today we discuss our next topic, that is separation of powers. First of all, you understand the flow chart of separation of powers. Firstly, we discuss meaning and concept of separation of power. Second, definition according to Montesquieu. Third one is machinery of a state government, that is three organs of our state government: legislature, executive and judiciary. After that, next is significance of separation of powers. Fifth is our constitutional status of separation of power in India. And last is our conclusion. So first we discuss introduction of separation of power. Under the separation of power rule, the state is divided into three different branches. First is our legislative, second is executive, and third one is judiciary. Each organs having different or independent power and responsibility on them, so that one branch may not interfere with the working of others two branches. If this principle, that is separation of power, is not followed, then there will be more chances of misuse of power and corruption. The main aim of separation of power is strict demarcation of powers and tries to bring the exclusiveness in the functioning of each organ of the government. Then, according to Montesquieu, the government consists of three main categories of governmental functions exercised by three organs: legislature, executive and judiciary. The legislature should exercise only legislative functions and powers. The executive should not control the legislature, and the judiciary should be independent of both the executive and the legislature. The separation of power is based on the concept of trias politica, that is, first is person performing a part on one organ, that is either legislature, executive or judiciary, should not form the part of other organs. Second is one organ should not interfere with the functioning of other organs. And third one is one organ should not exercise the function belonging to another organ. Now we discuss one by one each organ of a government. Firstly, we discuss the legislative. The main function of the legislature is to enact a law. Second is enacting a law express the will of the state. Third is it is the basis for the functioning of executive and judiciary. But one thing always kept in your mind, the judiciary act as the advisory body, which means that it can give the only suggestion to the legislature about the framing of new laws and amendment of certain legislations, but cannot function it. Thank you guys. Rest of the topic we will discuss tomorrow. Thanks.